Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system, fog lights, trip computer, heated steering wheel, tachometer, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.